growing your own food is a simple solution for health, environment, and financial problems. Well, friends, if you grow only one plant of tomato or you have a backyard garden, it is very important and necessary for your health, life, as well as for environment. Well, friends, I'm your host Saddam Hussain from Environment TV. I hope all of you will be good and have fun in your life. Stay safe. So, today our topic is growing your own food. We will discuss it, we will explain it that how or if we grow our own food, so what we will get, what we can do, what are the advantages, what are the effects. So we will explain all these things and we will also talk on these topics. So first we will discuss that what are the advantages. So there are many advantages of growing your own food nationwide, society wide, personally wide, or countrywide. You will get many advantages if you grow your own food. So you will get, firstly you will get sustainable, fresh and healthy food like vegetables and fruits. All we know that what are the process that our vegetables or fruits come to our market or to our shop and then we buy it. We know that all that what are the process. So fruits and vegetables are not fresh that we are buying or we are cooking it. The only way to get fresh fruit and vegetables that we must grow our own food through which we will get vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and much more. We all know that how much vegetables and fruits are necessary and important for our good health. So if we plant and if we grow our own food, so we will get fresh, clean, healthy, sustainable fruits and vegetables. The other thing is that we will save our own money. We will reduce our expenditures. We will help our family. That if we grow our own food, so not only we will get fresh vegetables, healthy vegetables, but also we will reduce our expenditures. We will save our money because if we going to buy vegetables or fruit, so if we grow it in our home or garden, so we will get it from our home or from our own garden. So that money we will be saved. The other thing that we will be stay active. How we will get active? If you grow your own food, so you will be physically good and healthy. How? Because you will get exercise. If you go outside to your garden or to your plants and you are watering it or you are spending your time with it to save it or to take care of them, so you will get physical exercise with that, so you will get stay active. Also, how much it is important for our environment. All we know that trees, plants are very important for our environment through which we get oxygens, fruit, vegetables, much more, shelters, etc. So growing your own food, so you will not only get fresh food saving your money, but also you will get a fresh clean environment. You will also help to save the planet earth. You will also get the reason to defeat climate change and global warming. These things is very necessary to discuss or to aware the people. These are the things that we must grow our own food. Well, growing your own food is also educational for our children, because if you grow your own food in your yard, backyard garden, so you will get together with your family and you will work there, you will take care of your plants or your trees, and they will know about, you will give the education about agriculture. They will know, your children will know about the ways, plants and its importance to our environment. They will know that how can we grow, how can we cut, how can we get the food, how can we help the environment. So these are the things that I'm talking about. And if we do to grow our own food, so we will do many things, like we will help our country, we will help our nation, we will help our society, we will help our family, we will help our children. How? These are the things that financially, environmentally, activities, physical activities, etc. So these are the advantages. If we grow our food, so we will get all these things. So how much important is this? That if we grow our own food, so not only we will get our own food, fresh and clean food, also we will get health, life, environment and planet Earth. We will get all these things that we are losing now. For example, we have the problem of global warming. We have the problem of climate change. We are losing our planet Earth. We are losing our environment. But if we start to grow our own food, so we will get all these back. We will get our mother planet Earth back. We will get our environment back. We will defeat climate change. We will finish global warming. We will save ozone layers. So these are the things that we must start to grow our own food. Not only me, not only you, but we have to aware all people, all the community, that we must start to grow our own food, through which we will get all these things. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my video. If you like it, so please like it, share it with your friends, and if you are new, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.